Here are 2026 Notion versus Todoist. Which productivity app is best for your R? I'm going to run through the best ones super fast. Let's go. Number 1. Key features. Task management. Create tasks within projects or use the Kanban view for a visual workflow. Note-taking. Organize information in pages with rich formatting, tables, and links. Project management. Plan and track progress with detailed project views and timelines. Number 2. Strengths. Extensive feature set. Notion offers a wide range of tools that can replace multiple apps like Trello, Asana, and Evernote. Customizability. Customize your workspace to fit your needs with various templates and views. Integration capabilities. Sync data from other applications such as Google Drive. Number 3. Weaknesses. Steep learning curve. The depth of features can be overwhelming for beginners. Complex interface. Some users find it difficult to navigate due to the abundance of options. Number 4. Key features. Task management. Create tasks with tags, priorities, and deadlines. Organization tools. Use projects or labels to categorize your work efficiently. Automation rules. Set up rules for automatic task creation based on specific conditions. Number 5. Strengths. Simplicity. Todoist clean interface makes it easy to focus on what matters most. Cross-platform support. Access Todoist across various devices and operating systems. Powerful automation. Automate repetitive tasks to save time and improve productivity. Quick reminder. The link to the full article is in the description. Number 6. Weaknesses. Limited collaborative features. Notion offers more robust collaboration tools compared to Todoist. Less customizable workspace. While Todoist is straightforward, it lacks the flexibility of a customizable workspace. Number 7. Feature comparison table. Feature Notion Todoist task management Kanban boards, project task simple task creation tags and AMP, priorities note-taking rich formatting, tables none project management detailed views, timelines projects / labels collaboration tools real-time editing, file sharing limited collaboration options cust. Number 8. Task management. You can move tasks across columns as they progress, making it easy to visualize your workflow. The priority-based system allows you to quickly identify high-priority items that need immediate attention. Notion excels in task management through its Kanban view and project tasks. Number 9. Note-taking. Notion offers robust note-taking capabilities with rich formatting options, tables, and easy linking between notes. This feature is particularly beneficial for researchers or writers who require extensive documentation. Number 10. Project management. You can break down complex projects into manageable tasks and monitor their status in real time. For project management, Notion provides detailed views such as timeline and calendar perspectives to track progress effectively. Todoist uses the concept of projects or labels for organizing tasks within. Number 11. Collaboration tools. Its real-time editing capabilities allow multiple team members to work on documents simultaneously without version conflicts. Additionally, you can share files and databases directly within the app. Notion shines when it comes to collaboration. Number 12. Customizability. Notion allows users to customize their workspace extensively with templates and various view types. This flexibility enables individuals to tailor the app according to their unique workflow requirements. Plus 5 more that didn't make this video. For more information, check the full list. Link in the description. Get the full guide at techlifeinsights.com. The link is in the description below. Follow for more.